In this video, I'll show you how you can do options trading on eToro. Now this only works if you're in the US, so unfortunately if you're not in the US, you're not able to do options trading on eToro. Now the way that this works is you want to sign up for eToro options, so go to this link etoro.com/en-us/options. In there you want to log into your account or create one, complete the KYC, and then you can either download the app or you can do it from the website sometimes, but just get the eToro options app. Once you're inside of the app, what you want to do is you want to find the one you want to do an option trade. So you can do a call or a put option. Once you've done that, you just want to select the trade parameters, so your contract size and this stuff. And after that is done, you just want to buy it or sell it. So that is how it's done. But like I said, the options is done from a different platform. It's still eToro, but it's not on the same eToro app. So they have a separate one. Now I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. This helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.